Breakfast is the meal that breaks the fast from the night before. There's an associated typical or traditional lineup of foods we think of when it comes to this first meal: eggs, pancakes, cereal, bagels, coffee, waffles, oatmeal, and so on. Some claim they're not hungry at this time or they lack time at this hour to eat. Others never skip. Truth be told, the winner of the breakfast debate is to eat breakfast. Here's why. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day because of its many benefits. To be clear, the type of breakfast being referred to is one that is nutritionally complete, not donuts or muffins. Starting the day with protein and complex carbohydrates has been linked to weight control and better performance mentally and physically. Better concentration is better for everyone, especially children in the classroom. Those who skip breakfast tend to weigh more than those who eat this meal. Hunger is reduced throughout the day. Skipping these calories in the morning can lead to overeating later. The best food choices aren't always made on an empty, ravenous stomach. A traditional breakfast with eggs has a lean protein to keep one satiated. Eggs have protein, amino acids, and vitamin D, which helps with calcium absorption. Bagel eaters are hungry later because simple carbs are short-lived and cause that blood sugar crash later. When it comes to cereal lovers, be sure to choose whole grain selections versus refined grains. Make the stomach work to digest that fiber so that you stay fuller longer. Whole grains help reduce the risk of cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Breakfast jump-start the metabolism. During sleep, metabolism is slowed down. Rev is back up and eat. Start burning calories from the very start of the day. Bypassing breakfast tells the body to switch to survival mode and keep calories because there is no telling when food will be had again. This actually causes weight gain. Breakfast is the meal that should last until lunchtime refuel. Not everyone is deemed a morning person. Being cranky when that alarm clock goes off is very common. Most people forget that some of this moodiness is because they're actually hungry. It has been possibly 8 hours since the last time the food was eaten. The time between dinner and breakfast is the longest period your body goes without food. Become a more approachable person in the morning and have some breakfast. Give your body energy to start the day. In a world that desires fast and convenient, a quick way to reach poor health is opting out on breakfast. Our mom and dad made us have breakfast before school every morning. That was part of the morning routine. Being an adult doesn't mean skipping out on this ritual. If you have time to stop at the coffee shop for a sugary coffee and pastry, by all means. You have time to scramble up some eggs. They have a hard-boiled egg made the day before. Hitting snooze and sleeping for maybe 5 or 10 more minutes just isn't worth starting the day on a poor note for your health.